to a new video. Today I'm gonna do the video that everybody has telling me to do for so long, and I finally decided to make the video. Today I'm gonna do a curly hair routine. I get so many questions about how I do my hair, what I use and all that kind of stuff, so today I'm gonna answer everything in one video. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get my hair like this and what I use. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I'm not gonna talk too much, so let's get into the video. So I just came out of the shower and did my makeup. In the shower I already applied a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This way it's easier to do my hair right now. Otherwise it would be really frizzy and dry and we don't want that. So I have it in a bun right now, and if I take it out, you have to make sure your hair is still wet but not soaking wet. Then I part my hair in two. So what I do now is I take half of my hair and put it in a bun. And then I put my hair on two sides. So I have like two parts right now. So the leave-in conditioner I use is from African Pride. And I apply this in my whole hair. So the first thing I do is take a bit of the cream and apply it in my hair. And I just comb it through with my fingers. Oh my god, my hair is so getting long. It doesn't even fit in the camera. So what I do is that I really make sure that the leave-in cream is really come through every part of my hair and in every curl, so that it looks like this. Now I take out the bun and divide my hair into again. And now I'm gonna do this side of my hair. And of course the same for the other side of my hair. So now I did my whole hair, and just to make sure that I get every part of my hair, I just put a little bit more on each side of my hair. Then I apply a gel to my hair. This is for a little bit more definition and for the hold. Today I'm using the EcoStyle black castor and flaxseed oil gel. You can use whatever gel you like. Sometimes I use another one, but this is the one I'm using today. Just take a little bit of the gel, and again I apply it to one side of my hair. And of course the same for the other side. So this is what it looks like after. What I do now, I'm gonna part my hair again. So I take a little bit of the front and the sides of my hair. And the same for this side. It's really hard to do this without a mirror. So what I did now is I took the driest part of my hair, the front and also the sides of my hair. They never dry in a good way. I don't know why, but the front and the sides of my hair always are super dry compared to the rest of my hair. So that is why I help them a little bit and curl them with my finger. So what I do is I take a little bit of hair and then I start curling them with my finger. So now I did every curl in the front part and the side part of my hair. So I comb it through with my fingers one more time. And this is what my hair looks like after. Right now it's done. I just have to dry my hair, which takes a long time. I use a diffuser and a cap for my curls. I put my diffuser on medium heat. I found out this is the best way for me to dry my hair. I don't like to use that much warmth on my hair, so that's why I don't take the highest. So I just start bending my head side to side and diffusing every side of my hair until it's dry. Basically, I never fully diffuse my hair until it's dry, but it's winter time and it's cold outside and it's wet outside, so I like to diffuse my hair inside. Now my hair is for like 80% dry, and then I use pure argan oil, like 100% argan oil. I just get about 5. So then I apply it to my whole hair. I start shaking everything out. This is what my hair looks like after. It's like 80% dry, but I'm not gonna diffuse it until it's 100% dry. I like to air dry the last part, but this takes about like maybe the whole day. And I also don't make my hair too big the first day, so I can wear my hair for longer. I think the best hair day, and when it's the biggest, is about 3 days after I did this whole routine. So I won't be able to film that for you guys, but you could see how my hair looks right now and what it will be looking like, and it's only getting bigger by day. So this is how I do my hair. Now you guys know what I use and how I do it. And also this will be the end of the video. So I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to put a thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. And of course, I hope to see you in my next video.